outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, died and they died. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on really, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a son adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart burn home. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I'll miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Hi guys. Hello. We're trying chipotle today. I ordered an iced tea and I had ordered tacos. This is the sweetened one. It's actually like obvious, if that makes sense, like the tasting of, it's like proper iced tea. It's different to what we have in South Africa. Like it's not giving Lipton at all. This is way better. I like this. This is really nice. This is like proper iced tea. Like it's a thing of I'll never untaste it. So they come in threes, and then basically like you saw, they fill it up like as you go. Sorry for the angle, it's the only way the phone's not gonna fall. Then I had like mild sauce, and then put the mild sauce. Comes in this little, and it's 3-piece. The hard shell, because there's two types. There's a, let me show you. This looks delicious, gorgeous. So they overfolded, which is amazing. So I got chicken, cheese, a bit of peri thingy sauce, beans. Yeah, I think that's about it. So let's try. Sorry, the phone fell. This is really good. At first, I actually didn't know that cheese was cheese. I thought it was like, it looked like spaghetti. Because guys, the cheese is so thick. I don't want to miss. Just a little bit of that mild peri sauce. Gorgeous. guys, I also forgot I have brown rice as a base. So they kind of build it for you. Oh, and I put beans in. I forgot. This is so good. Solid 10 out of 10.